part 2 of what you do when you get pulled over. Now, what's the second line of the script?
Second line of the script is actually pretty simple. It took a long time to come up with it because we don't want you to be rude to. We don't want you to be snappy, argumentative, vile, vulgar, or rude. So how do you tell? It's none of your business where I'm going, what I'm doing, and where I came from.
And
right?
It's not.
And it's not their business, no matter how much they want to goad you and get that out of you so you say something incriminating. So at the end of the day, the most polite way to say what we just said is, I'm not discussing my day. Because you never want to lie. Let's say you had one drink. You're not impaired whatsoever. The minute you say you had one drink, you're going to go through a DUI stop for sure. So, I'm not discussing my night. I'm not discussing my day. It's that simple. If they think that you're impaired, then they'll get you out of the car and do what they got to do. But you don't have to give it to them. So the nicest, most polite way is, I'm not discussing my day.
Discussing my day. Remember, it's all in your tone, your attitude. I'm not discussing my day. And then this is where we feel you're going to really find out what kind of you have. If you have a good, and there's plenty of good out there, we praise them, they praise us, actually, and appreciate what we do and teach.
And respect your rights, and actually agree with us that just, if you shut the up, you get your ticket and be on your way. Instead of blabbing, and before you know it, you've talked yourself into more than the ticket they pulled you over for.
It makes it easier for everybody. But you have what we would say the bad don't respect the Constitution they swear to uphold, who don't respect your rights, want to try to make you incriminate yourself, want to try to find things. Those are that when you say, I'm not discussing my day, officer. What? Why you can't cooperate with me? You can't tell me one simple thing. I just want to know where you're going. I'm trying to keep people safe.
That actually leads to a good point. Cooperation. Cooperation does not mean discussing your day. Cooperation means getting your license, registration, and insurance. Cooperation means if they say get out of the car, you get out of the car. Stand over here, you stand over there. That's cooperation. So don't let them intimidate you when you say, I'm not discussing my day. Oh, you're not cooperating with us. Yes, I will cooperate with everything you require me to do. Speaking isn't one of those and does not equate with not cooperating.
And doesn't matter what the question is. Any question you can think of or dream up, your answer is, I am not discussing my day. Because they will ask, where are you going? Where are you coming from? How many drinks have you had? Why are your eyes red? What's that smell? What's that smell? Anything they ask you, the response is,
I'm not discussing my day.
And you're being polite. Stay tuned for part 3.